The pattern this week isn't one story, it's three signals converging, and they tell different things about where the industry is right now. Start with the models. Unconfirmed reports of an Anthropic checkpoint called Oceanus are circulating online. We haven't heard official confirmation from Anthropic, and there's no verified timeline yet. But the early preview outputs people are sharing do appear notably capable, and if the rumored general release window holds, we're looking at competitive pressure on Claude's inference speed and cost structure hitting sooner than the public roadmap suggested. That's worth watching because it signals Anthropic may be accelerating releases to respond to Claude Sonnet adoption rates in production. On the coding side, OpenAI reports Codex has reached 5 million weekly active users. The improvement maps to better underlying models and a dedicated team focus. What's less verified, the reported reorganization to merge Codex, ChatGPT, and Atlas into a unified system. If that merger happens as described, it suggests OpenAI is treating code generation not as a specialized agent, but as a core product layer, which would reshape how teams integrate coding assistance into deployment pipelines. NVIDIA's reported acquisition of Kumo AI, the information indicates the price is over $400 million, expands NVIDIA's model portfolio for custom AI builders. This isn't NVIDIA buying inference capacity. It's NVIDIA acquiring model IP to offer enterprises pre-trained checkpoints tuned for specific workflows. The deal signals a shift from pure infrastructure play toward integrated model plus platform positioning. Now, the pattern underneath, physical AI fundraising, is accelerating. Robert Scoble reads the convergence of multiple $100 million raises, CVPR's best paper, and architectural commitments from major labs as the early formation signal he's seen precede major market inflection. That's interpretation, not fact, but it's calibrated observation from someone who has watched this sequence before. Separately, there's signal in creative adoption. Reports that Martin Scorsese used FLUX for pre-production work matter operationally because it indicates a shift from AI as experimental tool to AI as standard infrastructure in high-demand creative workflows. When practitioners with the most exacting standards choose a technology not for novelty but for capability, the barrier between proof of concept and production has moved. And Bain's survey on AI cost savings, which shows narrower than promised ROI, serves as healthy correction. It's forcing teams to model actual value creation rather than chasing inflated projections. That's maturation, not failure. Watch whether the Oceanus checkpoint releases match the rumored timeline. That'll confirm whether Anthropic is accelerating or managing supply. Watch whether NVIDIA's Kumo acquisition leads to enterprise custom model offerings actually reaching production at scale. And watch whether the physical AI fundraising translates to deployed systems, not just capital announcements. That's your AI automation research briefing for Saturday, June 6, 2026. Stay sharp. I'll see you next time.